Cause I'm a boss. Oh, hell no.
Hi guys, it's Yanie and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing clip-ins from Curlscurls. They sent me 18 inches, 10 pieces, and I'm going to be installing them on my best friend. She wants to use these clip-ins for test shoots for her modeling career, so I'm just hooking her up. And what I'm doing currently right now, I'm detangling, I'm co-washing, because you want to do that when you receive these clip-ins. You don't want to just go ahead and install them. You kind of want to loosen up the curl pattern a little bit, and you can do that by co-washing and detangling. Currently right now I'm using very cold water because I want the moisture to stay in the hair. If you use warm water or hot water, it's going to strip the hair of the moisture, and you need the moisture because these clip-ins are thick. Okay, so she requested 2 mini buns, so I'm going to be giving her 2 mini buns, and then I'm going to go ahead and install this hair. Now we let the clip-ins air dry outside. They are kind of semi-dry, and so now I'm just going to go ahead and install it. This is the braid pattern that I went with. This is typically what I use whenever I install wigs on clients. I like to use this braid pattern because it's neat and it really gets the hair out of the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and clip the hair into her hair, and we're just going to create this beautiful, beautiful style. Now, because my best friend has a teeny weeny little head, I had to cut her clip-ins towards the top. So that's what you see me doing. And I literally just cut off a whole clip and it worked just fine. So if you have a smaller head, it's okay, girl. All you gotta do is just cut it and make yours a little more custom made, and they will still install the same and it will look beautiful. So that's what I'm doing, and this will be the last layer of clips that I add. And I'm also going to cut one more time. Just that last little clip is just not needed for her head, and then I'm going to go ahead and add clip-ins to her buns, and then this pretty much completes the look, you guys. So stay tuned for the finishing results. So for each bun, I ended up adding 2 of the smaller clips, and it worked out just fine. So it really depends on what type of style that you're going for, but you can use these clips in so many different ways. You can be so diverse with these clip-ins, you guys. And if you are trying to lead a more hypergamous life, and you know you're dating, and you know men within that lifestyle really don't like wigs and things like that, and you're wanting to wear your natural hair but you just want extra length, these clip-ins are wonderful, and I really like them, and they were easy to use. They didn't tangle. It was just easy, you guys. Like, it's so easy. And I'm really getting into clip-ins more now, just because they're so easy to put in and take out, and you don't even have to have all of your hair out or mixed in with the clip-ins. Like, you can literally have it twisted in the back or twisted or protected underneath the clip-ins. So I think that's really convenient. So you will definitely see me wear mines more. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the style. And I used bobby pins. I wrapped it, I hid the weft and also the clip, so you can't really see anything, but this was super easy and simple to do. And of course, you know, I gotta lay her baby hairs. This could not be a proper natural hair clip in tutorial if you're not out here laying these baby hairs. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay her baby hairs, and that pretty much completes this video, you guys. So if you're interested, all information will be down below in the description box, and please check out Curlscurls on Instagram and their website. They don't just do curly clip-ins, they also do curly wigs, natural looking wigs, so check them out. All information will be down below in the description box. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload, and I'll catch you in my next one.